Facebook is to overhaul its tax structure so that it pays tax in the country where profits are earned, instead of using an Irish subsidiary. In 2016, Facebook said it would stop routing UK sales through Ireland for tax purposes. The change comes after pressure on large firms over their tax affairs from governments and the public. Facebook Chief Financial Officer Dave Wenner said, "We believe that moving to a local selling structure will provide more transparency to governments and policymakers around the world who have called for greater visibility over the revenue associated with locally supported sales in their countries." Quote, "The move will affect how Facebook pays taxes in 30 countries including Germany, France, Spain, Italy, the Netherlands, Belgium, Norway, Poland, and Sweden." In the UK, there was public outrage after it emerged that Facebook had paid just £4,327 in tax in 2014. That significantly boosted revenue and profits for its UK business, and has meant that so far it has paid higher taxes. Facebook paid £5.1 million in tax in the UK last year, up from £4.2 million in 2015, on revenues of £842 million. Taxes are paid on profits, and the huge difficulty with large companies is trying to determine exactly what the profit is, he said. In 2015, the UK government introduced a diverted profits tax, a high rate of corporation tax aimed at companies that move profits out of the country.